fry, Herd? Hudson? Hudson? That's not for you. Boulevard fry. Eric? First hit done? Thank you. Just staring at the dog right now. He's like, what is this thing? Let me take a bite. There we go. Taking a bite of that thing, dude. Oh my god. I need a photo of that.
I bet you were hoping you kissed the tip of it.
You're so stupid. Look,
I wanted to do that one day.
it says the kid, he said, man, you gotta try this thing, dude. Let's see the cheese pull from the kid.
That did look like a good bite right there, didn't it?
That's a great cheese pull, dude.
You guys give it back.
Huh?
You guys give it back.
What's the cheese on
Another
it?
dog. Give another dog.
Hurt?
Another dog.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Or the people see them, but
You see them and they start going, dude.
Boulevard dog.
That cheese pull was great, that kid. I wish I had permission to get photos of people when they did the cheese pull. He smashed it that thing. It's like, holy shit. No, they're talking about it now. They're talking about it with the guy behind it.
he's going to come back and be like, hey man, I got to get another one.
The guy who got the steamed cheeseburger behind him now, they're talking about the fucking cheese.
When you bite into a fucking hot dog and you got a piece of cheese this much far from your face and dripping out, man.